Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root of s, that is represent about s to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for this one. And this one. This one in here, we have s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. Similar for this one. So this one is about 3 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c in here. So we can apply this formula go to this one, and we will have about s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar for the next one. This one is about 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.